Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students. In the previous video we have learned how we can solve equations by transposing numbers from one side of the equation to the another side of the equation. We have seen there addition is changed into subtraction while transposing. Subtraction is changed into addition, multiplication into division, and division is changed into multiplication. So by using all these operations we have seen how we can solve an equation, and after that we have seen how to form an equation when the solution is already given to us. Generally what we do, we solve an equation to get the value of the variable, but what if the solution is already given to us? Can we form an equation? Yes, we can form an equation. We have already seen many questions on that in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to solve many equations and we'll see questions based on forming an equation when solution is given to us. Now let's see the first question of this video. Here we have to solve the following equations. The first equation is 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Let's write the equation. 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Now for solving this equation, what we will do, first we will transpose plus 5 upon 2 on the right side of the equation. So by doing that we will get 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2, because here 5 upon 2 was added to the variable term, so it will be subtracted here in the right hand side of the equation. So this gives us 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is 32, so this becomes 32 upon 2. Now by simplifying this further we will get 2y is equal to 16. Now to find the value of y we have to transpose this 2 on the right side of the equation. So here 2 is multiplied with the variable, so when it will be transposed, so it will come in division. So this gives us y is equal to 16 divided by 2. Now by simplifying this we will get y is equal to 8. So the final solution of the equation is y is equal to 8. Now let's see the second equation. The second equation is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now for solving this equation, first we have to transpose this plus 28 to the right side of the equation. So the equation will become 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. Now here it was plus 28, so after transposing it will become minus 28. Now let's simplify this. We will get 5t is equal to 10 minus 28, which is minus 18. Now the value of t from here will be minus 18 upon 5. What we did, we just transposed 5 to the right side of the equation. 5 was multiplied with t, so after transposing it will come in division. So now the final answer is minus 18 upon 5. The next question is a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now here we have to find the value of a. So what we can do for that, we have to transpose this plus 3 on the right side of the equation. So what we will get, a upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. This 3 was added to a upon 5, so after transposing it will come with minus sign. Now let's simplify this. We will get a upon 5 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to get rid of this 5. What we can do, we can multiply both the sides with 5, or we can simply transpose this 5 on the right side of the equation. So after transposing, what we will get, a is equal to minus 1 multiplied with 5. 5 was in division here, so after transposing it will come in multiplication. So the value of a we are getting from here is minus 5. Hence the final solution is A is equal to minus 5. Now the next question is D is equal to, now the next part is D part of the question. So here the equation is Q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Now for solving this, first we will transpose plus 7 to the right side of the equation. So the equation will become Q upon 4 is equal to 5. What should we do now? We are transposing plus 5. We are transposing plus 7. So it will come here as a negative number, that is minus 7. Now by simplifying we will get Q upon 4 is equal to minus 2. Now we have to remove this 4 from the denominator. So we will transpose it on the right side. So this gives us Q is equal to minus 2 multiplied with 4. Why we multiplied 4 here? Because 4 was here in division with Q. So after transposing it will come in multiplication. Hence the value of Q we are getting is minus 8. So the solution of this equation is Q is equal to minus 8. Now the next question is 5 upon 2 x is equal to minus 10. Now from here we have to remove this 5 upon 2 which is multiplied with x here. So what we can do, first we can transpose this 2, it will come in multiplication as it is in division here, and then we can transpose 5, it will come in division here. So what we will get, 5x is equal to minus 10 into 2. Here we transposed this 2 which was in division, so it came in multiplication here with 10. So we will get 5x is equal to minus 20. Now 5 is multiplied with x, let's transpose it. So after transposing it will come in division. So we will get x is equal to minus 20 divided by 5. Now by simplifying this we will get x is equal to minus 4. Therefore the solution of the equation is x is equal to minus 4. Now the next question is 5 upon 2x is equal to 25 upon 4. Now as we have seen in the previous question also, first we transposed 2 and then we have transposed 5. Can we do it together? Yes, we can do that also. So let's transpose this 5 upon 2 together there. So we will get x is equal to 25 upon 4 multiplied with 2 upon 5. 2 will come here in numerator because 2 is in division here, so here it will come in multiplication, and 5 is in multiplication with x, so it will come in division now. So this is how we transpose the complete fraction in one step only. Now let's simplify this. We will get 5 here and 2 here, this will be 1. Now what we got from here, x is equal to 5 upon 2. So the final solution of this equation is x is equal to 5 upon 2. Now the next part is G part of the question, which is 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. Now what should we do here? First let's transpose this 19 upon 2. So we will get 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2, as it was in addition here with 7m. So after transposing it came in subtraction. Now let's simplify this. We will get 7m is equal to, we can write this 13 is 26 upon 2 minus 19 upon 2. Now let's simplify this. We will get 7m is equal to 26 minus 19 will give us 7 upon 2. Now let's transpose this 7. So we will get m is equal to 7 upon 2. Now 7 is multiplied with m, so it will come in division. So we will write this in denominator. Now let's simplify this. We can cancel this 7 with this 7. So finally we will get the value of m as 1 upon 2. Therefore, we can say the solution of the equation is m is equal to 1 upon 2. Now the next part of the question, here the equation is 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. What should we do now? Let's transpose this plus 10. So what we will get, 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10. 10 was added to 6z, so after transposing it will come with negative sign. So now what we got from here, 6z is equal to minus 12. Now we have to transpose this 6. Now 6 is multiplied here with z, so after transposing it will come in division. So we will get z is equal to minus 16, z is equal to minus 12 upon 6. Now let's simplify this, we will get z is equal to minus 2. Therefore the final solution of the equation is z is equal to minus 2. Now the next part of the question is 3l divided by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now here we have to get rid of this 3 upon 2 which is written with l here. So what we can do for that, we can transpose it to the right side. When we will transpose this 2, it will come in multiplication, and when we will transpose this 3, it will come in division. So what we are going to get, l is equal to 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. This 2 came in multiplication and 3 came in division now. Now after simplifying this, we will get l is equal to 4 upon 9. Hence the final solution is l is equal to 4 upon 9. Now the next question here is 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. What we will do, first we will transpose minus 5. So we will get 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. 5 was subtracted from 2b upon 3, so it will come in addition after transposing. Now what we will get from here, 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. Now we have to transpose 2 upon 3. So what we will get, b is equal to 8 into 3 upon 2. 3 came in multiplication and 2 came in division. Now let's simplify this. So finally we will get b is equal to 4 into 3 which is 12. Therefore the solution of the equation is b is equal to 12. So we have solved all the parts of this question by transposing the terms. Now here is the next part of the question. The question here is solve the following equations. The first part is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So we have to solve this equation now. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now what should we do for solving this? First we will transpose this 2 here on the right side. We will get x plus 4 is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 was multiplied here, so it will come in division. Now let's simplify this. We will get x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now we have to transpose this plus 4. So it will give us x is equal to 6 minus 4. Now what is 6 minus 4? It is 2. Hence the value of x is 2. Therefore we can say the solution of the equation is x is equal to 2. Now the next part of the question, b part, it is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. Now what we have to do, first we have to get rid of this 3. First we will transpose this 3 on the right side of the equation. Can we transpose this minus 5 here? Will it become plus 5 after transposing? No, we can't transpose this minus 5 because this minus 5 is multiplied with 3. What we can do, first we can open this bracket. Just we can simplify it like this, 3n minus 3 into 5 which will be 15. This is equal to 21. Now we can transpose this minus 15. So this gives us 3n is equal to 21 plus 15. Now what is 21 plus 15? It will be 36. So we'll get 3n is equal to 36. Now we have to get rid of this 3. So what we will do? We will divide both the sides with 3, or we will transpose this 3 on the right side of the equation. That gives us n is equal to 36 divided by 3. Now let's simplify this. So we will get n is equal to 12. Therefore, the final solution of the equation is n is equal to 12. Now the next question is C part of the question. It is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. It is similar to the previous question. The only difference is 21 was positive here, but here it is negative. So what we can do? We can transpose this 3 first now. So we will get n minus 5 is equal to minus 21 divided by 3. 3 was in multiplication with n minus 5. So after transposing it come in division. Now let's simplify this. We will get n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Now by simplifying this further, we will get n is equal to minus 7 plus 5. So we have transposed this minus 5, it became plus 5. Now from here n is equal to minus 2. Therefore the final solution is n is equal to minus 2. Now let's see the next question. The question here is solve the following equations. The first equation is 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of p. So let's transpose this 5 here, or what we can do? First we can rewrite the equation as 5 into p minus 2 is equal to 4. It's like writing x equal to y or y equal to x. They both are same thing only. So that's what we did here. Now what we can do? Now we can transpose this 5 on the right side of the equation. This will give us p minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now what we will do? We will transpose this minus 2 on the right side of the equation, and that will give us p is equal to 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now by simplifying we will get p is equal to 4 upon 5 plus 10 upon 5. We have written 2 in its equivalent form having denominator as 5. Why we have done this? Just to make the same denominator. Now by simplifying this we will get p is equal to 4 plus 10 will give us 14 upon 5. So the value of p will be 14 upon 5. Hence the final solution is p is equal to 14 upon 5. Now the next equation is minus 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Now again we will just rewrite the equation as 5 into p minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Now we will transpose this 5 here. So we will get p minus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Now let's transpose this minus 2. So we will get p is equal to minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. It was minus 2 here, so after transposing it became plus 2. Now let's simplify this. We will get p is equal to minus 4 upon 5 plus 10 upon 5. We have written 2 as 10 upon 5 to make the denominator same. Now by simplifying this we will get p is equal to minus 4 plus 10, that will give us 6, and this will be divided by 5. Hence the final value of p we are getting is 6 upon 5. Now the next equation is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. So now what we can do? We can rewrite this equation as 16 plus 4 into m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to transpose this 16 on the right side of the equation. So we will get 4 into m minus 6 is equal to minus 16. 16 was a positive number here. After transposing it will become negative number. Now we have written minus 16 here because we are going to get 0 minus 16, and that will give us minus 16 only. Now we have to transpose this 4 here. So we will get m minus 6 is equal to minus 16. So after transposing 4 here, we will get m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 divided by 4. Now we have to transpose this minus 6 here. Before that, let's simplify this first. We will get m minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Now let's transpose this minus 6 here. So this will give us m is equal to minus 4 plus 6. 6 was a negative number here. So after transposing, it will become a positive number. Subtraction is changed into addition. Now from here we will get m is equal to 2. Therefore the final answer we are getting is m is equal to 2. Now let's see the next question, in which we have to construct equations. Solution is already given to us. In the previous questions what we did, equations were given to us, we have solved them and we had find the solutions. But this time we are going in a reverse path. So let's see what is the first question here. The question is, construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. So let's start with x is equal to 2. For the first equation, what we can do, we can multiply both the sides with the same number. Let's multiply both the sides with 2. So this will give us 2x is equal to 4. So this is the first equation. Now what should we do? Let's add 1 on both the sides. So this will give us 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1, which is 5. Now this is the second equation. Now we have to find one more equation. What we can do for that? We can divide both the sides with 3. So let's do it. This will give us 2x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 5 divided by 3. Now this is the third equation. So here we started from x is equal to 2 and we have formed three different equations. The next part is construct three equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. So now we have to start with x is equal to minus 2. Now for forming an equation, what we can do? We can subtract the same number from both the sides. So let's subtract 4 from both the sides. We will get x minus 4 is equal to minus 2 minus 4, that gives us minus 6. So now this is the first equation. Now what else we can do? Let's multiply both the sides with 2 for the equation 1. So we will get 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 2 into minus 6, that will give us minus 12. Now this is the second equation. What else we can do? We can divide both the sides with same number. Let's divide both the sides with 5. So we will get 2 into x minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to minus 12 divided by 5. Now this is the third equation. So here we have started with x equal to minus 2 and we formed three different equations. So in this video we have solved equations by using transposition method. What we did, we have just transposed numbers from one side of the equation to the another side to solve the equations, and then we have seen a question based on forming an equation in which solution was already given to us and we formed equation for it.